Kerala will have two ministers in the Union Council of Ministers when Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes oath as the Prime Minister of the country for the third term. Actor turned politician Suresh Gopi, who gave BJP its first Lok Sabha victory in Kerala, and George Kurian, who earlier served as the Vice President of the state unit of BJP and also the Vice Chairman of the National Minorities Commission. The entry of Suresh Gopi into the Council of Ministers was on expected lines because he is somebody who has delivered a Lok Sabha seat from Kerala for the BJP for the first time. Suresh Gopi was earlier made a Rajya Sabha MP. He had been an MP. He had contested the 2019 Lok Sabha elections from Thrissur, then again the Assembly elections from Thrissur, and in his third term he became successful from Thrissur, winning over a margin of about 70,000 from the Thrissur Lok Sabha constituency. So that was on expected lines. He had received a call. He will be reached Delhi late, so that's why he will not participate in that tea party. But at the same time, he has been called. Now, George Kurian has been a worker of the BJP for long, from the youth wing. He has been with the party for long, and he also comes from the minority community. We know that in Kerala there has been this big push by the BJP to reach out to the Christian minorities, because to make inroads in the state of Kerala they needed the support of at least one minority, and George Kurian was also an important factor when the BJP was reaching out to the Christian minorities in the state of Kerala. So the minority representation is also there when George Kurian is being added into this. George Kurian's candidature came mostly as a surprise because his name was not really spelled out earlier, because everybody was expecting Suresh Gopi to be part of the Council of Ministers. Earlier in the last term, there were MOS V. Muralidharan was also there, but he had lost in the Attingal constituency, and Rajiv Chandrasekhar and another MOS had also lost to Shashi Tharoor from Thiruvananthapuram. So as of now, we understand that Kerala gets two birds in this new ministry that has been formed, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be taking oath this evening.